Yeah, as I'm a clinical pharmacist, so before Curify Labs technology, I try to avoid compounding area. So first time I probably went there was after the printer was installed. So and my biggest struggle before having that technology was that we use a lot of paper sachets and they are not patient friendly. Formulations and packages. So from the clinical side, that was my biggest struggle. And mainly, I think it improves the need for human forces because as we did many things manually, then where a lot of people needed to weight powders, etc. And the young people don't want to do that kind of jobs anymore, so elderly get retired and we just lack the personnel for compounding. And I think this new technology attracts more people, even the guys and the young pharmacists. So I think that's an opportunity to hire more young people to the hospital pharmacy. Yeah, if a colleague from another pharmacy would call me and ask why do we use Curify Labs or why I recommend them to use that one, so probably the answer would be that it's the only printing system or that kind of system at least in Europe that is user friendly and that hospital pharmacists are able to really use it in their everyday work, not only for the scientific research or projects. But if we would need to go back and do things manually, we wouldn't do many things because some things were only became possible to manufacture with this printing technology because manually it wouldn't be precise enough or would have been too difficult to do. So we just would stop doing some things. I think at the moment, the thing that has most impressed me is this batch printing of different doses. So that really makes production so much easier, and it's a completely new feature. So I'm really enjoying that. I think it has been taking more time because not because of the technology, but because of all these developments like new blisters, new inks, and then you need to learn everything. But I think in principle it gets comfortable very fast. But still, if you want to develop things and use new inks and new things, then it's a continuous learning process. We usually did only two types of oral extemporaneous drugs before, formulations, but now we can do oral solid formulations, which is the first time we can do similar, something like that.